Here we're going to look at reciprocals of fractions. Reciprocals are the fractions written upside down. So say, for example, you have something like 2/5. Okay, its reciprocal will be 5/2. The reciprocal of 1/2 would be 2/1. Just write the fraction upside down. The only problem is when you have whole numbers like this, what you do in this case here is that you make it over 1, and so therefore its reciprocal will be 1/7. Right, dividing, we need to be able to use reciprocals. What you do is you keep the fraction the same, and then you multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction you're dividing by. Say, for example, we have something like 2/5, and we're going to divide it by 3/7. Okay, what we do is we actually write down the first fraction and just leave it exactly the same as it is, 2/5. And what we do is we change that to, instead of divide, we write times. And instead of 3/7, what we do is we write it by its reciprocal, which is 7/3. So 2/5 times its reciprocal, 7/3. This gives us, we just multiply across the top, 14, multiply across the bottom, and that gives us over 15. So 14/15 is the result. I'll give you another example. If we have something like 3/10, and we're dividing by 1/3, do it in one hit this time. The first fraction stays the same, so we have 3/10, and we change it to times, and we times it by its reciprocal. So its reciprocal is 3/1. Okay, going through this, working out the answer to this, 3 times 3 is 9, 10 times 1 across the bottom is 10. So we have an answer of 9/10.